Hi, my name is Dr.Amee Daxini and I am an MD in dermatology practicing in Bangalore. I have two clinics in Kasavanahalli and in Shantinagar called Things Skin Clinic. Pure cold pressed coconut oil is what I recommend to all of my patients who come with dryness of skin. Yes, I'm a dermatologist and I recommend pure cold pressed coconut oil because I think it is the best natural and the most versatile oil that one can use, not just for skin but also for hair and nails. Now let me tell you how it helps, okay? Let's begin with the skin. The first thing that coconut oil does is it repairs our skin barrier function. With external pollutants, the use of chemicals, multiple skincare routines and regimes and makeups, we destroy the barrier. And when we restore the barrier is when the skin actually looks healthier and can breathe. Second is it is a great emollient. It is a great moisturizer because after application, it does not let the water evaporate from the skin and it acts as a shield, preventing external irritants from entering the skin. The third is it has wonderful anti-inflammatory properties. So areas where there is itching, redness, where there is friction like your intimate areas, these areas, if you use coconut oil religiously, you will notice that the chafing is reduced, pigmentation is reduced and friction is also reduced. It is a great antioxidant too because it contains active vitamin E. Now this vitamin E reduces the free radicals which causes skin pigmentation, aging as well as discoloration. So you need to use coconut oil religiously to get the benefits of vitamin E. Coconut oil is a wonderful wound healer. So if you've scratched a mosquito bite or if you've got hurt from a superficial scratch, you can apply coconut oil over there to assist and help your skin heal faster. It is also used in areas where you have a lot of itching, like skin fungal infections, where itching is predominant and you can't use your antifungal creams multiple times. At this time, you can use your coconut oil in that area to prevent itching and healing of the fungus faster. So it has multiple benefits for your skin. But don't forget, it also works beautifully in your hair. Of course, it's the grandma's recipe for good, strong hair and very healthy roots. So when applied on the scalp, coconut oil hydrates and moisturizes the scalp just like it moisturizes our skin. Thereby, it reduces the peeling of the scalp skin, which sometimes is mistaken as dandruff. When combined with aloe vera gel, that is a coconut oil which is oil-based and an aloe vera gel which is water-based, when you combine it together, it not only hydrates and moisturizes the scalp, but it also cools it down, reduces the inflammation and prevents and controls your dandruff. Coconut oil, when used on the hair shaft, reduces the frizz because it prevents the hair from splitting its edges. So you will see that you can control the frizz. Of course, one doesn't like to apply coconut oil and go out, but you can apply it 2 hours before you shower because it acts as a shield and prevents drying of the hair when you use a shampoo. And don't forget, it works beautifully for nails. And especially in today's generation where all of us want to get our nails done and apply acrylic nails and powder nails, multitude of things. When back at home at night, remember you need to take care of your cuticle if you want your nails to grow healthy. Just take a few drops of coconut oil and apply it on your cuticle and massage it daily at night and you will be blessed with perfect healthy nails that do not crack. For your skin and hair, best is to apply when the skin is moist. So when you've used your face wash, just dab your skin dry, take a few drops of coconut oil, massage it on moist skin. It will prevent drying of your skin, protect you day long and not feel very sticky or oily also on your skin. For your scalp, as I said, you can mix it with aloe vera gel or you can apply plain coconut oil if you like and massage it onto the scalp. The effect of massage is that it increases the blood supply to the scalp, which helps in healing as well as repair of all the damage that happens around your hair roots. So for good, great skin, hair and nails, do use pure coconut oil.